So I finished adding all the windows to my floor plan, and I also added these two rooms here, the closet and the bathroom, I'm assuming, on this bedroom that we're missing. After that, the next thing we're gonna do is adding the doors to all our rooms. So I have the block here that I pasted from my other drawing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click it and hold it by the blue grip, okay? And I'm gonna bring it here to this room. I'm gonna press F8 to disable ortho mode, and I'm gonna bring it closer or close to the left wall like you see it in the floor plan. I'm just gonna drop it here for now because I press escape because I want to draw some lines from these endpoints that intersect the walls. Doing those construction walls will help me to trim the wall and open a hole where the door should be. So I'm gonna press L, enter. I'm gonna go to this endpoint and then spacebar, and that's it. So I have these two lines. Now I'm gonna call my trim command, trim, enter. I'm gonna select this, press enter. Those are gonna be my cutting areas. I'm gonna select this to eliminate those lines, and I also am gonna select this to eliminate those lines. When that is done, I also can do this. I'm gonna click on this line and delete them. Now I'm gonna click on my door, hold it by the blue grip, and bring it all down to this endpoint, press escape, and that's it. I have my door perfectly positioned as indicated here. Now if it's not exactly perfect, you can adjust it if you want. You can resize it or maybe move it up. It really depends on exactly how you want it done. So that's for this door. I'm gonna do one more, the door here on the closet. So I'm gonna click on this door, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I'm gonna position it here. Now I need to rotate, so I'm gonna type the command rotate, enter. I'm gonna select the door that I want to rotate, press enter. The base point is gonna be this endpoint. I'm gonna press my ortho mode, F8, so it's easier for me to rotate 90 degrees. I click, then I hold it again by its blue grip, press ortho off, and I'm gonna move it again close to this southern wall here, and I'm gonna click it here. Now here I'm gonna create the same thing. I'm gonna do a couple of construction lines, line, enter, press ortho, okay, enter, then again from here to here, and I'm gonna call my trim command, trim. I'm gonna go ahead, select my surface cutting areas, enter, and with the green selection box I'm gonna just go ahead and delete this. Press escape. Now I can delete these two construction lines beforehand, press delete, click on the door, hold it by the blue grip, and move it all the way down. I could move it all the way down here, or I could move it here. It really depends wherever you want to put it. If you do it here, then you have to draw a line from that will close the door. So for this example, I'm just gonna leave it here, but it's up to you, or the floor plan that you are replicating. So I'm gonna do the same thing for all the doors. It's just a simple matter of copy pasting, trimming, and rotating. And when I've finished, I'm gonna get back to you. I finished adding this door here, but I came back to the video because I want to show you that to put the door on this right side, it's not enough that I rotate it. So I'm gonna click the door, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'm gonna bring it here. Now I can, if I rotate this, right, and I click on the door, enter, and then I select the base point, you see that is not enough. I need to use another command to have it in the opposite direction, and that command is called mirror. So I'm gonna go where it says mirror, I'm gonna select the door, press enter, and then it's asking me for the first point of mirror line. So this is gonna be the points where you want to have the mirror oriented. So it's gonna be this side. So I'm gonna click here. This is the first point, and the second point is this, and that's it. You press enter, and you have the door mirrored. So I can delete this one, and then I have the door positioned here, and I can just move it ahead, and I'm gonna put it here again. Oops, and the object snaps are getting on the way, so I have to remember to turn F3 off, and I can put it here. Let's put it over here, and then I'm gonna use my same trick, L, enter, to do some construction lines, so I can open the hole in the wall. And I'm gonna type trim, enter, select all this, enter, then this can be gone, this can be gone, and then I'm gonna select these two construction lines. And you see I'm going very fast now, and because I have shown this before, but you know, that's why this video is actually getting long, because it's a tutorial that I really want to take my time to explain all the basics. Alright, so now I'm gonna continue doing this for the rest of the doors and come back to you.